to show you a very easy way to make mascarpone. You need some cream, and you need some lemon or some tartaric acid. Lemon, we will need a sieve for the lemon so that there are no particles in it. We will need a jar with a filter, and this is a coffee filter. And on the coffee filter, we'll place these clothespins to keep the cream inside. And of course, we will need a pot to warm up the cream and a thermometer. Let's pour the cream in here, and then we'll go through a process of heating and cooling. Today we're cooking in the pizza cucina. There's a nice fire going below and above. Our pot has been placed on the pizza cucina. So we keep stirring, and we're waiting for the temperature to get where it needs to be. And do you see all the steam coming off? This is wonderful because a lot of the serum, the water, is evaporating, and it's going to cause our cream to get thicker. Alarm has gone off. We'll take it off the fire and allow it to cool. Our cream has reached close to 140 degrees, and now we will put it back on the heat source. Once again, we'll allow the milk to heat up, actually the cream to heat up, and once it reaches temperature, we'll take it off, cool it off, and do this one more time. Now, once again, we took it off the heat source, and we are going to let it cool off. So now we're going to put it back on the heat source. You see all the steam coming up? So this is perfect because all the water, the serum, is mostly eliminated. And this is it. Last time done. Since I need an exact amount of the acid, which is the lemon in this case, I'm going to use a syringe. Now that it has been measured out, I'm going to add it to the cream, and very quickly you will be able to see as to how it begins to thicken up. And by the way, you know it's thick enough when it kind of sticks to a spoon like this. We're finally gonna double this cloth up, put it on top so even more can evaporate and get into the cloth. And in a little bit, when it's completely cooled off, we will pour it into the sieve. Now it has had a nice chance to cool off, and we are going to pour it right into here. By the morning, although this is very, very full right now, you will see that the level of the cream will go way down and the serum will collect in the bottom of the glass bowl. Finally, with the plastic, we're going to cover it up and just kind of tie it right here and place it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. 24 hours have gone by. We have just taken our mascarpone out of the refrigerator, and look at this, how nice and thick it is. Let's check with a spoon. Oh wow, look at this beautiful mascarpone, creamy and delicious. We're gonna take our clothespins off and remove the mascarpone from this coffee filter. And you see the serum that is left in there? This is just a water that was in the cream. Let's place it all in here. I'm just going to squeeze it out. Look at this beautiful thick cream. Oh my goodness. So next time a recipe calls for mascarpone, remember, all you need is some lemon, cream, and a nice cheesecloth. Look how incredibly creamy, and let me taste it. Oh my goodness, so good.